Today we are looking at Azolla as an aquatic plant. This plant grows on water but can also be grown anywhere else as long as there is a water source. These are the benefits of Azolla. Azolla is an aquatic plant and these are its benefits. Azolla as a plant contains chlorophyll, and this plant also contains proteins. Azolla contains vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin B2. Azolla contains beta-carotene, contains amino acids, and it also contains minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, ferrous, copper, and magnesium. Azolla has very many benefits to both livestock and to other animals. Azolla can be fed or can be used as a feed to animals like chicken, ducks, turkeys, pigs, cows, goats, rabbits, fish, donkeys, and other animals. Since it contains many nutrients, these nutrients are really beneficial to those animals. So if you are into poultry farming, Azolla is a game changer. If you are keeping animals like goats, cows, pigs, rabbits, fish farmers, this plant is really good for your animals. Azolla can be used as a fertilizer also. So if you're a farmer and you're growing various crops like maize, bananas, cassava, all the crops, this Azolla is really good for the crops. Since this Azolla can be used as a green manure, and this Azolla being used as manure, it can provide phosphorus, calcium, potassium, copper, magnesium to your crops. And this Azolla promotes growth. So your crops will grow at a high rate after being feeding on Azolla as a fertilizer. So if you're a farmer out there and you wanna increase on your yields and you wanna make your crops grow at a high rate, you need to provide this Azolla to your crops. So this Azolla can be used to make biogas. So you can use dry Azolla, make it rot, and you can make biogas out of this Azolla plant. Azolla can be grown at the center of your home, and these are the requirements you need to grow your Azolla and start using it as a feed to your animals. And people out there can also do this Azolla growing as a job. So if you're there, you have no job, just start growing Azolla so that you can earn a lot of money from this plant. Azolla just need a few requirements to be grown, and as an Azolla growing farmer, you just need a strong polythene bag. You need manure, most especially cow manure. You can use pigs manure, goats manure, but don't use poultry or rabbits manure in Azolla growing, because though the manure for the rabbits and for the poultry, they contain some elements which are not good for Azolla growing. So if you want to grow Azolla, you only need to get a strong polythene bag. You need to get water, either rainwater or well water, but you can also use tap water. But if you are using tap water to grow this Azolla plant, you need to set on that water for 2 days so that some minerals in tap water can evaporate and you use that water when it's clean. Azolla needs cold temperatures. so it doesn't need too much sunshine, but just moderate. So you can dig a hole of like 1 inch, insert the polythene bag, and then you can get manure, cow manure, pig's manure, but you have to settle this manure for some time, like 4 days. Once your manure is dry, you can mix it with soil and pour it in your pond direct, or you can put it in any bag which has holes, then place it in your Azolla growing pond, pour water, then introduce seeds of Azolla plants into your pond. Azolla takes only 14 days to be ready for harvest. So you just spread Azolla seeds on the pond, then your Azolla will start growing with no time. Please follow, subscribe.